Man, sometimes I go to YouTube just to see what I sound like. You don't want to fuck with me. This is true. You ain't nothing but a slut to me. Well, I do not know. It has been quite some time. And, I do not know. You know, we have been working for a very long time, but it is as if no progress has been done. We are going to kill the Jews.
Haha, yeah, man. That sounds like a wonderful idea. Well, listen here. Listen here. Just wait. Pause. Okay. We've been thinking. Perhaps you could.
Well, perhaps you could try something new. I don't think that's a good idea, but, sometimes you just gotta do new things.
I love myself, man. I mean, like, I make weird noises and shit, and like, sometimes I'm up there. Oh my god. No way. Oh my god, that is horrible. Oh my god. Anyway, tell me what you think about my voices. I have a lot more, but I don't know which ones to do.
Where the hood at?